AirCare Adventures, we're keeping it clean. From the ducts to the vents, make the air serene. Got vacuum-man power, we the cleaning machines. Tune in, breathe deep, feel the fresh in the scene.
Welcome to AirCare Adventures with Adam and Echo. I'm Adam, I'm your host and president of Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning, and this is my witty AI sidekick, Echo.
Hello everyone. Today's episode is brought to you by Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning.
Hey Echo, what do a water bottle, a yellow golf ball, and a coffee lid all have in common?
Sounds like the start of a joke, Adam. I give up. What do they have in common?
They all decided to take up residence inside an air duct system.
You're kidding. That sounds like quite the party.
Oh, it sure was. We recently opened up an air duct and found these unexpected tenants along with a whole bunch of dust and debris.
Wow. It's amazing what can accumulate in there over time. From bottles to golf balls, who knew?
That's why it's so important to keep your ducts clean, and don't let your air ducts become a playground for these random objects.
Absolutely. Give Vacu-Man a call and we'll make sure your air is fresh and clean.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for these weekly updates on all of our duct cleaning adventures.
Join us next time on AirCare Adventures with Adam and Echo for more thrills and unexpected finds in the duct cleaning world.
I'm Adam Oldfield. I'm the president of Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning, and joining me is Echo. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
AirCare Adventures, we're keeping it clean. From the ducts to the vents, make the air serene.